Welcome to Tutor Kids. Today I'm drawing a house. That's the roof. And that's the chimney. This is a window. And that's the main door. This is a flower pot. And another window. This is a fence. And this is a tree. It's time to color it. The roof is red. The chimney is gray. We use light cream color to fill the inside of the house. It looks like the light is on. The plants are green. And the leaves on the tree are green. Stairs are gray. The flower pot is orange. The border of the window is pink. The main door is blue. The tree is dark brown. The fence is light brown. The house is yellow. And the leaves on the tree are green.